Are you tired of staring at a blank screen trying to come up with the perfect Instagram caption? Well, buckle up because today I'm going to be walking you through one of my favorite tools that allows you to create captions and YouTube descriptions really fast. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Planoly's AI feature to create captions really quickly. If you want to follow along with me and get started with Planoly, make sure to click the link in the description below to grab 30% off your annual subscription using the code Melissa30. All right, let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you're logged into your Planoly account and have all of your social media profiles linked in here. So I'm actually inside of my Planoly account now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to the new post section so that we can open up the AI tool. So if I say new post here, it's going to bring up the post creation box, and on the top left hand corner here, it's going to ask me which of my linked social media profiles do I want to post this to. So I currently have Instagram set up here, and then if we go down into the caption section, there's this AI caption writer button. If we click that, it's going to bring up the AI caption writer. And what's so cool about this is that it actually allows you to add a topic or a caption you've already drafted or a couple sentences about whatever it is you want the caption to be about, add it in here and fill out these things, and it's actually going to generate a caption for you, which is really cool. So let's try this out together. Okay, so for the first example, I want this generator to come up with a caption for me basically from scratch. I'm just gonna put in an idea into this box here and see what it comes up with. So I'm gonna say top 3 reasons people don't start YouTube, okay? And I'm gonna say, who is my target audience? I'm gonna say online course creators as one of the people inside of my audience. And then under here, it says this caption should sound like, and you can actually pick your bestie, the CEO of pop, a fave artist, artistic vibes, all these things. I'm gonna say custom. And down here, I'm actually gonna put my own name, because with AI captions writers, a lot of times what they do is they'll actually scrub the internet to pull voices from the other kind of content that we post online. So by putting my own name, it should be able to pull all of the content I've ever published and write in the wording of me. So let's see what happens when I hit generate caption. Okay, so it says, struggling to kickstart your YouTube channel. Here are the top 3 reasons why online course creators hesitate to dive into the world of YouTube. Let's overcome these obstacles together and unleash your channel's full potential together. Struggling to start your YouTube channel for your online course. Here are top 3 reasons. Unlock your YouTube potential. Don't let fear hold you back. Online course creators. Here are the top 3 reasons why you might hesitate to start your YouTube channel. Okay, so these are a little bit generic. They're not going to be going in depth into, what we need to be putting in. I like to put a little bit more juice inside of my captions, but it's a really good place to start. If you feel like you're hesitating and you're not sure what to pick, you could pick one of these. Let's start over and try using a caption that I've already kind of roughly built out and see if it can zhuzh it up a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this into here as a little bit of an already written outline and see what happens. I'm gonna put online business owners here. And down here, I'm gonna say custom, and maybe I want it to sound like Gary V, okay? And now I'm gonna say generate caption. Okay, so here are some different options. Overcoming YouTube hesitations, don't let the fear of criticism, tech challenges, or lack of time hold you back from starting your channel. With the right mindset and determination, you can turn your YouTube dreams into reality. Let's crush those barriers together, online business owners. Same thing down here. So these are just some different variations. So if I click this one and I want to make some different changes to it, I could say lengthen, and it'll actually create another version for me that lengthens this up. Okay, so now what does it say? It says, struggling to take the YouTube plunge? Don't let fear of criticism, tech hurdles, or time constraints hold you back. Embrace the challenges, crush those barriers, and turn your dreams into reality. It's normal to feel hesitant, but remember that growth comes from pushing past your comfort zone. Don't fret about perfection. Your progress is what matters. Believe in yourself, fellow entrepreneurs, and start creating content that reflects your passion and expertise. With dedicated and perseverance, you can build a strong online presence that resonates with your audience. Let's conquer those hesitations together and crush your So not bad. It's a little bit wordy, but I don't mind it. So I'm going to say choose your channels at the bottom, and I'm going to say Instagram, and I'm going to say add to post. And so now it's over here and I can make any changes that I want to this. So I'm gonna come back over and say, struggling to take the plunge. I'm gonna add a space in there, add another space down here. And then I'm gonna get rid of this, let's conquer your, it just sounds a little bit too AI-y for me. So I'm gonna get rid of that. And I'm also gonna get rid of this and come down here, and then I can add in my hashtags. So there we go. Now we have a completed caption in a matter of minutes, just from some ideas that I had thrown into that caption creator, right? And if I go back into the AI caption writer, I can continue if I want. I can create another kind of post if I wanted to. So I could say something like a post talking about being afraid of the camera and how to overcome it. I would like the call to action to direct them to my new YouTube video, okay? And again, I'm gonna say your bestie here. I'm gonna say online business owners, and I'm gonna generate caption. So then it gives us 3 more options, right? Camera shy, no worries. We've all been there, overcoming the fear of the lens of the journey. Check out my latest YouTube video for tips on how to shine on camera, okay? So you can give it specific directions of what call to action you want it to put in there, and it'll do all of its work for you. So it's gonna be a little bit of a trial and error to make sure that the AI does exactly what you're looking for it to do. But this is a really great way to add inspiration if you feel like you're staring at an empty screen, not sure what to publish on your social media channels. Again, I can say shorten or I can say lengthen, and it'll continue to lengthen that for you. So now you can see it's extra long, and I could say choose your channels and then add it to Instagram as well. So that is how you use this AI feature within Planoly, and I think it's gonna save you so much time. So now that you know how to write these captions really, really fast, you might be wondering, okay, but how do I schedule all of my content using this tool? Well, if you wanna learn exactly how to do that, you can watch this video right here where I break it all down for you. Plus, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content here on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you next week. Bye.